Good morning, guys. This is day 3 of our trip, and we are actually back to New York style pizza, but we are having rolls, and it's actually a little cold out there, like not too much, a little. I'm just wearing one sweater, one short sweatshirt, and we are now heading to our Statue of Liberty tour after having food. So I'll see you in a bit. Statue of Liberty is located on an island, and to go there, you have to take a ferry from either New Jersey or New York. Okay, so as you can see, it is raining, not that heavy, but still it's raining, and rain or shine, the statue cruises go, so we go with them. No option, because I don't have any other options. First ever view of the Statue of Liberty from New York, Battery Park, Manhattan Battery Park. This is the Battery Park of New York, and now we are taking a ferry to go see the Statue of Liberty, which is located on the Liberty Island. The statue cruises go in rain or shine, it doesn't matter. You can take your cruises from New Jersey or from New York. It was a quick journey from New York to Liberty Island, and the view was amazing. So this is why we actually decided to go outside and stand in the rain, which didn't bother us a lot. Well, if you come prepared with your umbrellas, ponchos like all these tourists, the rain would not bother you at all. To actually go inside the Statue of Liberty, you have to go through this gift shop and some security checkpoints. Alright, after like a lot of security checks, like 3 or 2, I don't know. We're finally inside the statue. We just started walking, and this is the way to pedestal and crown. We have a pedestal ticket. We didn't get the crown ticket, so we're just gonna walk up there. Let's go.
Hurry! We have steps available.
Oh yeah. So you want to take an elevator, or if you want to take a steps? There are only like 195 steps, but you can, there's no line. But elevator, there's a line for that, so choose whatever you want to do. Wow, that is a view from the pedestal. Pedestal is the area which is higher up the ground, and you can see the beautiful skyline of New York. Where is the statue though?
Where is it? Oh, I didn't even see her.
You can also get a crown ticket, which is actually the head of the Statue of Liberty, and you can go higher up to see the skyline of New York. Isn't this a gorgeous view from pedestal? After spending some time at the pedestal of Statue of Liberty, we decided to go back and walk around the monument. So that was a pretty nice view from upstairs, right? From the pedestal. And now we're actually walking on the reserve. It's called the reserve. And you know, we're just gonna take some pictures here. But it's a lovely view though. This area that we are walking on is called the reserve and is actually a great point to take pictures of the statue. Alright, time to say goodbye to Statue of Liberty. Until next time. Whoa, well, all that rain had taken a toll on my gimbal. It is still raining, and you know, after spending like some time, I'm at the Colgate clock. You can see that's actually behind me, near the exchange place, and you know, it's getting darker now. You know, the lights are getting on, and the sky is getting darker. Hopefully, hopefully because it's actually raining. So you know, I'm gonna try some shots. Let's see how well I do. But that's the skyline for you. Well, it's time to go back to a hotel in New York, and now hopping onto this infinitely long escalator. This beautiful World Trade Center subway station is actually beautiful than most of the places I've ever been. Despite the rain, it was a great trip, and now we are having some food before we head to our next destination, Niagara Falls.